Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, we travel to Canada for the story of Brock Doors and Windows. Congratulations to the entire team at Brock Doors and Windows serving the Toronto area on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service for over 28 years and counting. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company, just like most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we could find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Brock Doors and Windows story. Brock might be the most decorated door and window company in North America. This company has won just about every major award from consumer groups in Canada that you can get, and as the name suggests, Brock is a leader in all kinds of doors and windows. They are one of the largest window and door installation companies in the GTA. They have 5 impressive locations: Toronto, Etobicoke, Scarborough, Brampton, and Whitby. And the name Brock is very well known in this part of Canada for quality products, people, and processes. This is not your grandpa's door and window company. Brock is a very progressive company, which has decades of experience. Hey, you don't last that long unless you are very good. Brock has lots of nice videos on their website. You should watch them. They really know how to brand and market, but what really matters most to us at Best of the Best is not all that stuff. It's what real clients say about any business. And oh, by the way, they have some real client testimonials on their website. You should watch them as well. They're good. We found over 7,000 5-star reviews on several credible websites about Brock. That's a lot. And remember, we didn't tell anyone at Brock that we were doing this video. We only did so after reading hundreds and hundreds of reviews first. We simply loved what we found. Brock truly cares about customer satisfaction. It's obvious. This is a guild quality company, which matters to us at Best of the Best. It means that the Brock leadership actually pays an outside firm, Guild, to survey Brock clients. Thousands of them. Now think about that. How many companies do you know who care enough about customer satisfaction to actually hire an outside firm to survey their own customers? Not many. When we reviewed Brock in 2017, again in 2018, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. They had almost 1,400 5-star reviews on HomeStars alone, and they belong to all the significant industry groups, which tells us they care about learning and staying on top of all that is new in this industry. We love that too. At Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. This one does. The team at Brock Doors and Windows has given back as much or more than any company that we've ever profiled at Best of the Best. This company is very active in the community. Brock is a winner of the HomeStars Giving Back Award. They support and partner with Habitat for Humanity. They support handfuls of Little Leagues and the local Salvation Army Women and Children's Shelter. We could go on and on. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at Brock Doors and Windows, serving the GTA with distinction on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Brock solid. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.